What's something people don't know about Portugal? Portugal, a land of sun-drenched beaches and rolling hills, boasts a rich history. From a Roman province, Portugal rose to global power. Afonso Henriques led the charge for independence. His victory at the Battle of Urique in 1139 marked the birth of a nation. This is why you need to know about the seeds of exploration. Before the great voyages, Portugal was already sowing the seeds of exploration. In the early 15th century, a spirit of curiosity and adventure began to stir among the Portuguese. These early explorers, inspired by tales of distant lands, took to the seas in search of new horizons. They were driven by a quest for knowledge and the spread of Christianity. One pivotal moment was the conquest of Ceuta in 1415. This North African stronghold marked the beginning of Portugal's imperial ambitions. The capture of Ceuta provided a strategic foothold for further expeditions. Thus, the seeds of exploration were planted, nurtured by ambition, curiosity, and faith. These early ventures laid the foundation for Portugal's monumental achievements. And so, Portugal stood on the brink of an era that would forever change history. What's something people don't know about the rise of the Portuguese Empire? With newfound independence, Portugal embarked on an era of expansion. The Reconquista, the centuries-long struggle to expel the Moors from the Iberian Peninsula, fueled Portuguese ambition and military prowess. The spirit of conquest, however, soon turned westward, driven by a thirst for knowledge, wealth, and the desire to spread Christianity. Prince Henry the Navigator, a visionary leader and patron of exploration, spearheaded Portugal's maritime endeavors. Under his guidance, Portuguese sailors ventured into the uncharted waters of the Atlantic Ocean. They established a navigation school in Sagres, a hub of innovation where cartographers, astronomers, and shipbuilders pushed the boundaries of nautical knowledge. These early voyages yielded significant discoveries. The Azores, Madeira, and Cape Verde fell under Portuguese control, becoming stepping stones for further exploration. The discovery of these islands, rich in resources and strategic location, whetted the appetite for even greater conquests. Portugal's maritime dominance was taking shape, laying the groundwork for a global empire. I don't think people understand the true impact of the Age of Discovery. Portugal stood at the forefront of this era, driven by a relentless pursuit of new sea routes to the east. Bartolomeu Dias's voyage around the Cape of Good Hope in 1488 shattered the myth of an impassable barrier, opening a direct sea route to India. Vasco da Gama's epic voyage in 1497 to 1499 cemented Portugal's place in history. His arrival in Calicut, India, marked the dawn of a new era of global trade and interconnectedness. The spices, silks, and treasures of the East flowed into Europe, transforming economies and fueling the Renaissance. Portugal's maritime supremacy extended far beyond India. Pedro Álvares Cabral claimed Brazil for the Portuguese crown in 1500, opening up a vast new continent to European influence. Portuguese explorers ventured as far east as Japan, establishing trading posts and forging cultural ties that would endure for centuries. The world, once a tapestry of isolated regions, was being stitched together by Portuguese caravels. The Portuguese caravel, with its innovative design and advanced navigational tools, was the vessel that made these monumental voyages possible. Why are there not more people talking about caravels? These ships revolutionized exploration, enabling Portugal to expand its horizons and establish a global empire. I bet you didn't know the full extent of Portugal's colonial footprints. Portugal's Age of Discovery laid the foundation for a vast colonial empire that stretched across the globe. From Brazil in the Americas to Macau in Asia, Portuguese influence left an indelible mark on the cultures, languages, and economies of its colonies. Brazil, Portugal's crown jewel, emerged as a major center of sugar production, fueled by the transatlantic slave trade. The Portuguese language and culture took root in this vast land, shaping its identity for centuries to come. In Africa, Portuguese trading posts dotted the coastline, facilitating the exchange of goods, slaves, and ideas. The impact of Portuguese colonialism was a complex tapestry of exploitation, cultural exchange, and lasting legacies. While the transatlantic slave trade remains a dark chapter in human history, Portuguese influence also left behind a rich architectural, linguistic, and culinary heritage, in many parts of the world. Why are there not more people talking about modern Portugal? The decline of Portugal's colonial empire in the 20th century ushered in a new era for the nation. The loss of its colonies, coupled with internal political turmoil, led to a period of introspection and rebuilding. The Carnation Revolution in 1974 marked a turning point, ending decades of dictatorship and paving the way for democracy. Modern Portugal emerged from the shadow of its colonial past as a vibrant democracy, embracing its European identity while celebrating its unique cultural heritage. Tourism flourished, drawn by Portugal's stunning coastline, historic cities, and renowned cuisine. The country played an active role in the European Union, contributing to the economic and political integration of the continent. This is why you need to know about the legacy of exploration. Portugal's story is one of remarkable resilience, ambition, and a relentless pursuit of the unknown. From its humble beginnings on the Iberian Peninsula to its global empire, Portugal left an undeniable mark on the world. The Age of Discovery, spearheaded by Portuguese explorers, forever changed the course of human history, connecting continents and cultures. Today, Portugal stands as a testament to the enduring power of exploration and the interconnectedness of our world. Its legacy lives on in the languages spoken, the food we eat, and the very map of our planet. If you enjoyed this journey through Portugal's grand history, make sure to subscribe and follow RM Caesar Portugal on YouTube for more fascinating documentaries. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.